In this video, you are going to learn how to build a competitive marketing analysis dashboard from scratch in Power BI. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so even if you don't have much experience in Power BI, you can still follow along. All right, the dashboard here is going to be the dashboard we will be building. In the dashboard, we have card summaries on the top to give key information about the sales. Below, we have different charts to present sales data for each sales channel. In the footer section, we have social media icons to direct users to your websites. Now let's get started. First, we need to load the dataset into Power BI. You can find the dataset download link in the description below. Under Home tab, click on Get Data dropdown, then select the data file. Select all the tables in the Excel workbook. Then click on Load. Once the tables are loaded, we need to create the table relationships in Model View. Select the model icon found on the left side. Power BI will attempt to map the table relationships for you based on the field name, but occasionally it may miss one or two tables. Overall, it does a really good job. Arrange the tables by positioning the sales table at the center with the remaining tables surrounding it. Link the channel table to the sales table, matching the sales channel column in the sales table with the channel ID column in the channel table. Go back to the report view and expand the format pane. Now we need to insert the background image by going to Canvas Background and select the background image. You can download the background image from the link in the description. By default, when you insert a background image, the transparency is going to set to 100%. We need to decrease the transparency to 0% and set the image fit to fit. To set the report theme of the Power BI dashboard, under View tab, choose a theme you would like to use. For this dashboard, I am going to use the Classic theme. Now let's insert the report title. Under Insert tab, add a text box. Title the report Channel Sales Analysis Report. Set the font style to Sego Bold. Increase font size to 24. Bold the text. Align the text to the left and change font color to white. Set the text box height to 60 and width to 700. Set the horizontal location to 78 and the vertical location to 15. This step is optional. If you have a logo, you can add it beside the sales title by clicking the image icon found within the Insert tab. Next, we need to create the card measures to display sales for each channel and total sales. In the sales table, insert a measure with the formula shown on the screen. Create the rest of the measures to calculate the total sales for each channel. To display the channel sales summary, insert a card visual. Drag the sales total measure to the card visual. Update the format to currency and change the decimal placement to 1 decimal point. Set the height to 70, width to 230. Horizontal to 50, vertical to 100. Set the top padding to 0 pixels. Enable the background. Set the background color to white and transparency to 0%. Enable card title. Set title text to total sales. Font style to Sego UI bold. Increase font size to 11 and change font color to black. In the callout value section, again, change font style to Sego UI bold. Decrease font size to 21. Turn off category label. Now the total sales card visual will be used as my card template. Duplicate the total sales card visual 4 more times for each channel. Ensure the gap between each card is spaced evenly. Then update the field, card title, and measure format for each card accordingly. If you see a card displaying blank, most likely it is due to the table relationship being mapped incorrectly. Go ahead and fix the mapping. Let's create the pie chart by inserting the pie chart visual. Set the height to 240 and width to 417. Horizontal to 47 and vertical to 192. Drag channel to the legend section and sales total to the values section. Set the top padding to 0 pixels. Turn off the background. Enable the title section and name it Total Sales by Channel. Change the font style to Sego UI Bold, font size to 9, font color to black, and background to light gray. Enable the legend and set its position to top left. Turn off the legend title and leave everything else as default. In the Slices section, change the pie color if necessary. In the detail labels, change the label contents to data value, % of total. Now let's insert the stacked bar chart. For the stacked bar chart, we want to calculate the total units sold by product by channel. Insert a measure in the sales table and enter the formula showing on the screen. Drag product to y-axis, units total to x-axis, channel to legend. Set the height to 238, width to 722. Horizontal to 5118, vertical to 194. In the title section, name the title to Total Units by Product and Channel. Set font style to Sego UI Bold, font color to black, background color to light gray. Turn off legend title. We are almost done with the dashboard. To create the chart to display channel sales over time, insert line and stacked column chart. Set the height to 211, width to 11190. Horizontal to 49, vertical to 465. To display the month's name, go to the table view. Insert a column and enter the formula showing on the screen. If we try to use month name as x-axis label, the labels will get sorted alphabetically. To sort the month's label in the correct order, we need to create another column to populate the month number to be used as the sorting order. Create another column and paste the formula showing on the screen. Then select the month name column, click Sort by Column, and select Month Number as field to be used as the sorting order. Go back to the report view. Drag channel and month name to X-axis, sales total to column Y-axis, channel to column legend. In the title section, name the title Total Sales by Channel over Time. Set the font style to Osigo UI Bold. Font color to black, background color to light gray. In the X-axis section, turn off concatenate labels and increase font size to 9. Turn off legend title. In the grid lines section, change the style to dotted. And for the last step, insert the social media icons, and we are done. This concludes this tutorial, and hopefully you guys find the video useful. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next one.